Micro content, macro impact. How short posts sell big. Hi Queens, welcome back to Set Up and Sell. I'm Adeline Atlas, and today we're getting tactical because we're diving into how short-form content can drive big-time sales. If you've ever felt like you have to write novels to get attention, if you're overwhelmed by long captions, endless reel scripts, or content calendars filled with complexity, this training is your permission to simplify, without sacrificing conversions. Let's break down how to create short, punchy, high-converting content that respects your time and drives action. First, why short content works. Now more than ever, your audience is scrolling fast. Their attention span is short, and their screen is crowded with content. So here's the reality. If your message isn't clear in 3 seconds, it's lost. If your hook doesn't hit in 1 line, it's skipped. If your post requires mental effort to decode, it won't convert. Short content works because it removes friction. It creates speed, momentum, shareability, and when done right, it drives fast, qualified traffic into your funnel or product. Step 1. Use the one-line hook. Formula. Your first line should stop the scroll and spark the click. Examples. What I wish I knew before launching my first product. Here's why your offer isn't converting. This $27 template made me $200 last week. Don't start with context, start with clarity. Make your first sentence a headline, not a warm-up. Whether it's a reel caption, a static post, or a story sequence, lead with punch. Step 2, keep captions tight but clear. Structure your captions like this. 1. Hook 2. 1 to 2, punchy sentences of insight. 3. Offer mention or proof. 4. CTA. Example. Still struggling to post consistently? Your problem isn't content, it's structure. That's why I created my plug and post calendar. It gives you the plan. Grab it in the bio and let's simplify your next 30 days. You don't need to write 5 paragraphs. You need to land the message. Step 3. Turn carousels into mini funnels. Short-form carousels are powerful because each slide acts like a step in your funnel. Try this layout. 1. Slide 1. Pain point or desire. Still struggling to sell on IG? 2. Slide 2. Common mistake. 3. Slide 3. Mindset shift or strategy. 4. Slide 4. Your tool. Offer. 5. Slide 5. Clear. CTA. DM me sales for the link or grab it in my bio. Simple, scrollable, saves-worthy. Step 4. Create short reels with just one idea. You don't need to trend chase or perform. 1 tip, 1 belief shift, 1 sentence of proof. That's enough. Examples. Text on screen. This content formula gets me sales weekly. Overlay. CTA. Grab the content planner in my bio. Face to cam. I sold my first product with 120 followers. Here's what I did. B-roll. Packing a client order, building my vault. Caption. Turn your content into cash. Toolkit linked. Keep it human. Keep it visual. Keep it fast. Step 5. Post stories like you. Text your friends. Your stories don't need to be scripted or perfect. They just need to connect. Try these micro-story formats. 1 slide with a belief shift. You don't need a funnel. You need a clear offer plus a link. 2 slides, before, after, screenshot plus CTA. 3-part story, problem, tool, offer, poll or question box, follow-up DM. Short stories build trust in motion. That's what sells. Step 6. Turn 1 idea into 5. Micro assets don't create more. Reuse smarter. Let's say your offer teaches how to build a lead magnet. You could create 1. A 1-line post. Your audience doesn't need more content. They need a reason to click. 2. A carousel. 3 mistakes in your lead magnet. 3. A reel. This 1 tweak made my opt-ins double. 4. A story. Screenshot of your email list growth. 5. A CTA. DM me opt-in for the guide. 1 core idea. 5 simple assets. Big reach. 0 burnout. Step 7. Stack micro content into macro momentum. Micro content is your daily traffic driver. It doesn't exist to go viral. It exists to keep you visible and convert ready. Stack these weekly. 2 short reels, 1 punchy post with CTA, 3 5 stories showing proof or offer drops, 1 carousel that teaches plus pitches. This gives your Instagram rhythm, not pressure. Final tip. You don't need to write novels to make money online. You just need content that hits hard, lands fast, and leads clearly. Short-form content sells when it's built with precision. You're not creating fluff. You're building clarity. Keep it sharp. Keep it scrollable. And let every post pull weight in your storefront.